Hey guys, it's Adam with GSA Equipment, and today we got pounded with snow. Luckily, we had some real nice machines to move all this snow into one big pile. So you're gonna see some footage today of the VMANG, of the Durette XC1100, and the RS04 from Ripa. Those are just the machines that we had out that were easy to get to. Luckily, the VMANG and the Durette XC1100 did great. Really, the VMANG shined. It moved snow very quickly. It was very efficient because of how fast it is. Really enjoyed using that today. The XC1100 did great as well. It's just a little bit slower. But for today, for speed, the VMANG definitely won when we needed to make a million trips back and forth moving snow around. So check out the video. We do have a lot of these in stock, so just check us out at getmowers.com. And yeah, hopefully you like the content.